My name is Robert Bache. I own Senior Healthcare Direct, Medicare Bob's office. My agents and I, we assist people with Medicare nationwide. It is Rate Watch Wednesday, and if this is your first time tuning in for Rate Watch Wednesday, this is where we pick an area, a state, or a zip code, and we take a look at how much Medicare supplement plans are in that area. Now, my agents and I, just a few things to understand, we're not limited to one area. We actually help people nationwide, and we're not limited to one plan or one carrier. We can help you with any of the Medicare supplement plans, Medicare Advantage, or Medicare Part D. Today, we're going to take a look at zip code 64124. That's Kansas City, Missouri. We're going to take a look at how much a Medicare Supplement Plan G costs for a 65-year-old male and female, a 70-year-old male and female, and a 75-year-old male and female. Just a quick summary of the Medicare Supplement Plan G and why it's important to shop your plan. It's right in your Medicare and U book right here, and it's on page 69, that the letter of the plan determines the coverage, not the carrier. So a Medicare Supplement Plan G offers the same benefits with all the different carriers. The absolute only difference is how much you pay for it each month. So an Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield Medicare Supplement Plan G offers the same exact benefits as a Pan American Medicare Supplement Plan G. Your doctor takes it the same, it's going to pay your hospital and doctor bills the same. The only difference is how much you pay each month for that Medicare Supplement Plan G. So let's take a look here. Now, what's nice about our agents is we represent all the different carriers. So we're brokers. There's no fee for our service, and we're able to help get you the best price for the plan that you'd like because we offer all the different Medicare supplement carriers. This is our quoting tool that I'm giving you inside access to. As you can see, I'm putting in the zip code 64124, Kansas City, Missouri. We're going to look at a Medicare Supplement Plan G, female, 65 years old. We hit Get Quote, and what our system is doing is, as you'll see here, is it's pulling all of the Medicare Supplement Plan G quotes in that zip code for a 65-year-old female. It's going to put them in order from the lowest price, and as I scroll down on the screen, the prices increase, but the plans aren't any better. Again, the letter of the plan determines your coverage. The reason we're looking at Plan G is that's my favorite plan for 2020. It's also going to be my favorite plan for the next few years. It has been for the last 5, and I've been correct. If you're one of the 100,000 people that follow us on Facebook or our YouTube channel, then you know that I've been promoting Plan G since 2015. I love the Medicare Supplement Plan G. I call it the greatest value, and it also guarantees your health care costs. The Plan G is so comprehensive, it pays all of your hospital bills that Medicare would normally leave for you to pay, and it also pays the 20% that Medicare does not pay. And with Plan G, you can go to any doctor, any hospital in the country that accepts Medicare. The only item that you have to pay that Medicare does not pay if you have G is the very small annual Part B deductible, which is under $200 a year. So once you pay the first couple $100 of your doctor bills for the year, you have no more surprise out-of-pocket costs, which is why I call Plan G guaranteeing your health care costs. Now, as you can see here, United Healthcare AARP has the best price for a 65-year-old female at $139.75 in Kansas City, Missouri. The next best price is $149.40. So almost $120 more per month is the next best price. Aetna's $151.11, American National's $152.38, National General's $152.64, Transamerica's $153.80, Pekin Healthcare is $157.82, Cigna's $163.62. It's a great example. Cigna's a great company. Let's say if you were working, and a lot of people have Cigna for their group insurance while they're working. A mistake a lot of people make when they turn 65 is instead of working with a broker like Senior Healthcare Direct, Medicare Bob's office, they'll call the company they've had with their work insurance their whole life. Here is an example of why that's not a great idea. If you had Cigna and you're turning 65 in Kansas City this year, and you call Cigna and you like the Plan G because it is a great plan, and they tell you the price is about $164 a month, you're going to say, sign me up because it is a great deal at $164. But what they're not going to tell you, which if you work with a broker you'll know, is you can get that same exact plan for $139.75. So it's very important that you work with a broker. There's no fee for a broker, and all they do is they're going to help you get the best price and then service you every year. So now let's take a look at what a 65-year-old male pays in Kansas City, Missouri. United Healthcare, AARP, has the best price for them as well. $155.50 per month. Transamerica is $164.34. American National Life is $168.85. Humana is $170.43. Pekin's $173.68. Aetna is about $174. Mutual Omaha is about $176. Now, something I want to share with you is the prices that you see on the screen, they do not include household discount. So, for example, Mutual Omaha does offer a 12% household discount if you live with somebody that's over 60 years old. So, if you were living with somebody over 60, you would get that $176 price minus 12%. Again, working with a broker that knows all these tricks is definitely recommended. So let me scroll down here. Cigna's $185.38. USAA, great organization, but they charge almost $186 a month. That's a lot more than what United Healthcare was charging. Blue Cross Blue Shield, great company, $193. Again, you call Blue Cross Blue Shield and ask them how much a Plan G is, they're going to say $193 for a 65-year-old male. They're not going to tell you that United Healthcare has it for $155.50. That's almost $600 less a year. That's incredible. And again, price is higher, but the plan's not any better. So let's take a look at what a 70-year-old female would pay. Pan American has the best price, $159.49. So notice, for a 65-year-old, United Healthcare had the best price. Age, household discounts, height, weight, tobacco use, all those things can change the price. A 70-year-old best price for a female is not United Healthcare anymore, it's now Pan American. So that's why it's important to shop and save. Aetna's $166.10, Cigna's $169.29, Transamerica's $173.56, United Healthcare, AARP's $175.25. Mutual of Omaha's $181.38, Manhattan Life's about $181.58, and the prices, as I scroll down, Humana's $183.65. Now some of you are saying, but Humana, they're all over TV and I'm getting stuff in the mail. They're a great company. Medicare Bob, why would you not recommend them? I do recommend Humana. We offer Humana. Humana is a great company. However, Humana is not that competitive nationwide on Medicare supplement plans. Where Humana is really competitive is with Medicare Advantage and Medicare Part D drug coverage. So we do offer Humana Medicare supplement plans and their Advantage in Part D, and I do recommend Humana as a company. But if I'm talking to a 70-year-old female in Kansas City, Missouri, I would not recommend going with Humana at almost $184 a month when you can get Pan American, who's also an A-rated company, a great company, and they're offering the same exact plan for $159.49. Just doesn't make sense. You'd be overpaying. Now let's take a look at a 70-year-old male's price. Transamerica is now the best price for that person at $185.73. Pan American's $187.63. Aetna's $191. Humana's a little over $191. Pekin's $191. Looks like $191 is a popular number for that age. Cigna's $191.81, and then United Healthcare AARP is all the way up to $195. Mutual of Omaha is almost $197, and as I scroll down, the prices just increase, but not the benefits. USAA is $211, Renaissance is $221, and look, State Farm, they're a good neighbor, $237.41. I'll be a good neighbor if you want to pay, let's see, $238 basically, versus, let's see, $186. That's a big difference. So that's a pretty expensive cup of sugar you're getting from your neighbor. All right, let's take a look at a 75-year-old female. National General's $183.52. Lumico's $187.42. Aetna's $188.17. Cigna's about $190. As I scroll down, again, AARP's a little over $201. Humana's $205. So the prices are just getting higher and higher. The last quote we're going to look at today in Kansas City, Missouri is a 75-year-old male, non-tobacco, and Old Surety Life is the best price for that person at $196.01. Prosperity Life is the second best price at $201.38. Pekin's $208. National General's $211. Humana's $214.50. Cigna's $214.78. Aetna's $216.33. United Healthcare AARP, great company, but their price is $233.75. And the prices just get higher and higher as I scroll down. Mutual of Omaha there is about $240 a month. USAA is $239. Let's see, Thrivent's $267. Again, State Farm, $267 for State Farm for a 75-year-old male. So $267 versus $196. So you're talking $70 per month. Same exact plan. Doctor takes it exactly the same. Benefits and payouts are exactly the same. $70 a month difference. What could you use that's $70 a month more for something better than overpaying for insurance, right? You can use it for just about anything else is better than overpaying. So to summarize this Rate Watch Wednesday, thank you for watching. If you are not currently subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe. I promise you, you'll learn a lot for free and you'll save money. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not one of our over 100,000 people following us on Facebook, I recommend that you like our page. Again, you're going to learn a lot and save money. And if you'd like a broker for free, I'm going to drop a link in the description of the video below. Click that link. It will take you to our Get Quote page. You'll put in your zip code, a little bit more information, and then we'll get you an exact quote. We'll give you this PDF document that you see on your screen, customized for you, based on your height, your weight, your tobacco use, any household discounts, or any other discounts we can get for you. We will get you your exact quote. Not only will we get you the best price now, but we will service you because we're a full service agency. So we'll help you get the best price every single year moving forward. So again, my name is Robert Bache. I own Senior Healthcare Direct, Medicare Bob's office. If you would like our help, give the number on the screen a call or click the link below and we'll be happy to help you.